A very good morning, students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Students, we have done with our first chapter, that is number system, and today we will start our second chapter, polynomials. Student, you have already studied algebraic identities, that is x plus y whole square, that is equals x square plus y square plus 2xy, and similarly x minus y square and x plus y into x minus y. I am not going to tell you all the identities. We will today we will discuss the basic terminology related to polynomials. The very first we will discuss the meaning of polynomial and its condition. So polynomial is the algebraic expression. My polynomial or say polynomials are the algebraic expression that include real numbers and variables. Means my polynomial will be like algebraic expression which contains real number and some variables. Now polynomials contain word poly, which means more than one. This means more than one. So polynomial is that expression which contain more than one term. Firstly, we will discuss monomial. Monomial means that polynomial which contain only one term. This will contain only one term. For example, my 6x square. This contain only one term, which is 6x square means x square, or 3x4, maybe 7y. All the three are the examples of monomial. Next, the term is binomial. And you all know the meaning of bi means 2. Hence, this polynomial contain only 2 terms. Example will be like 5x squared plus 7x. This contain 2 terms. First one is x square and the second term is x. Or we can say x minus 3. This is also contain 2 terms. First one is x and second is 0, constant term. Now we will discuss the conditions for polynomials. What should be the condition to set up polynomial? First one is power of variable. So to set up polynomial, power of variable should be whole number. So power of variable should be a whole number. And you know the whole number like 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now our second condition is division and square root cannot be involved in variable form. So division and square root term cannot be involved in variable. Means if my variable is x, then it should not be in the division form, means in the divider, and it should not be contain any square root or cube root. And my third term is variable should be in addition, means variable should be in addition, subtraction or multiplication, nothing else. It should not be in division form, it should be only in addition, subtraction or multiplication. These all three are my condition. If I say x raised to power 3/2 plus x plus 7, is this my polynomial? No, because my first condition say power of a variable should be whole number, but here 3/2 is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. 3/2 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. And if I write 3 divided by x plus 9x square plus 7, this is also not a polynomial, because here my variable is in division, so this is also not a polynomial. Both are not a polynomial. Now, what is the meaning of coefficient of polynomial or coefficient of variable? Here in this x cube plus 4x square plus 9, 4 is a coefficient of x square, means the term or say the number before any variable is known as coefficient of that variable. Now our next term is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means 7 minus 2 9 whose degree is 0 are my constant polynomial. Now what is the meaning of zero polynomial? Simply 0. 0 is my zero polynomial. 0 is my zero polynomial. And our last terminology is degree of polynomial. Degree means the highest power of the polynomial, means highest power of a variable of a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Now student, we write polynomial, we denote polynomial with p of x. Now if I am writing 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 9, if you see here the highest power of variable, here the variable is x and its highest power, here power is 1, here 2, here 3. So highest power is this is my highest power, so degree is 3. And if I am writing 3x cube 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Here my highest degree is, highest power is 2 and hence degree is 2. Now linear polynomial. On the basis of degree, we divide the polynomial into linear polynomial. That polynomial whose degree is 1, means highest power is 1, are known as linear polynomial. Like x minus 8, x plus 3, all are linear polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is whose degree is 2. Like x square plus 3x plus 8. Here my degree is 2 because highest power is 2 and hence its degree is 2, and that polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. Second example, 2x square plus 4x plus 6. This is also a quadratic polynomial. And our last polynomial, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is a polynomial whose degree is 3. Like 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 11. Here my degree is 3 and hence it is cubic polynomial. Now student, let's revise this. First of all, we have discussed polynomial term. Polynomial means are the algebraic expression that include real numbers and variables. And one more definition is polynomial that expression which contain more than one term are known as polynomials. And we discuss monomial and binomial. Monomial is that which contain only one term, and the examples are 6x square, 3x4 minus 7y. And then we have discussed binomial. Bi means 2. Here bi means 2 and hence binomial means only 2 term. Matlab means that polynomial which contain only 2 terms. Here x square and x. Here x and minus 3. Now conditions for polynomial. First condition is power of variable should be whole number, and second condition is division and square root term cannot be involved in variable. Next, third condition is variable should be in addition, subtraction and multiplication. Then we have discussed coefficient. Coefficient means the numeric value written before the x square, x cube respectively. They are known as coefficient of x square or x cube. And then we have discussed constant polynomial and zero polynomial. After that we have discussed degree, and the degree means highest power of a variable is known as degree of polynomial. Then we have discussed 3 kinds of polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial is that whose degree is 1, and quadratic polynomial is that whose degree is 2, and for cubic polynomial the degree will be 3. And student, your homework is 2.1 exercise complete. Okay student, thank you students.